Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Peace and celebration go together. Artisans Market exhibition held at All Saints Cathedral Hall. Promising dancer in Red Bull break dance competition. And leaders of all Khasils Achik Federation requested for Garo teachers and guest house. And now the news in detail. State Home Minister Lakshman Rumboy had reacted firmly to the news item that some groups have floated misinformation that no police should be sent to certain areas of Shillong, as the group will hold memorial service to mark the first 30th anniversary of surrendered leader of the band HNLC, Chiristefil. Thank you. Mr. Lakshman Rumboy said the government has the laws and the means to uphold peace and harmony in the society. Peace and celebration go hand in hand in the community.
Is being taken, and the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister also just last week have informed what step have the government is taking and what is next to be taken regarding that August 13 incident. So I don't see that there is a possibility of breach of peace, but having said that, it is the duty of the government, it is the duty of the police, it is the duty of the citizen to be very vigilant so that there should be no breach of peace.
The Northeast Development Forum, NEDF, Zun Nagar, Bhadhyapara, Shiv Sagar, Assam, organized an exhibition for adopted sentient cluster artisans on August 10th at All Saints Cathedral Hall, IGP. The exhibition was held in collaboration with the Office of the Development Commissioner, Handicraft, Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. In her meeting with the media, Mrs. Priyam Hazarika informed the goal and purpose of the exhibition. She also discussed with the NGOs about various programs that the forum will launch in the near future.
And we had ordered them through their handcrafted items to generate the income more and more in the village. So without going to the other places, they can earn from their own village. That's our motive. I would like to invite every Meghalayans to visit the community market, their products, to see their products, to visit the artisan market, because to encourage them their income. So kindly I request on behalf of Northeast Development Forum to visit our exhibition from 6 to 12. Thank you.
A promising break dancer of Shillong, Anil Chetri, who had recently participated in the Mumbai Red Bull break dance competition, won Cypher, which is an international dance battle platform. While speaking with the media, lamented that his talent is not being seen or recognized by the people of the state. He appeals to the lovers and fans of these performing arts to come forward and support the dancers in various forms as a mark of appreciation and encouragement. He is determined to participate in other dancing competitions in the near future.
But I say we need more support. So I want to share you my experience in Red Bull BC1 India Cypher. So it was held in June. It was on Mumbai. So the experience was really good. Like many of the participants all over the state, they came to participate, and there were all over 25 crews who got down, and like I represent Team Northeast, so I was the only one from Shillong, and the rest of my team were from Arunachal Pradesh, 3 of them, so we were 4 of us.
The president of a welfare group, Shri Cliffstar C.H. Marak of All Khasils Achik Federation, AKHAF, whose head office is at Shillong, had written an appeal to the government of Meghalaya to provide some urgent needs for the interest, growth and welfare of the Achik community living in the districts of Southwest Khasils, East Khasils, West Khasils and Ripoy district. In these districts, there are sizable number of Achik population spreading in the nooks, corners and villages. The main requests for immediate implementation are to appoint Garo language teachers in rural Garo schools for the growth and progress of the students in the mother tongue, which are established in the above-mentioned districts. Another important request is the necessity to establish community guest houses and hostels for the community in the capital city, Shillong, to cater to the need of the poor people from the villages who come to Shillong for official needs and for medical treatments. Cliffstar Marak further added that the community living in various parts of Shillong are engaging in selling cultural products in different localities, but they do not have proper stalls to sell their goods, particularly in times of rain and other natural calamities like prolonged monsoon season. He requested the state government to provide selling stalls so as to raise the livelihood of the people and the economy of the state. He also informed the CPWD authorities that the roads in Maupuland and Meghalaya are in very bad shape that need immediate repairs as they have been promised earlier.
동행은 방아 호텔랑어 담락비 당카파시랑고 가미리 양나부터 남행아 우리는 등탕만 차칭아 아직그러나 게스트하우스 그 gవర్nment 게스트하우스 그렇게 지나갔다 칭아 디만카이 치빈산을 레카 시도니 그 다강 아로야코 submit kan baksa 칭아 그런 거 가니까 다강 안다게무나 뭔가 분하라 온죠 등탕만 차비벤 안치니 아치랑 여비벤 헤드쿼터 맞죠 안치니 메갈라니 헤드쿼터 가로 가시 정치니.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.